One end will go down to the spark plug, and you don't have to actually make sure it pushed on. Just a little bit is good enough. The other end is going to go to the coil, just like that. Now when the engine's cranking, that should be sparking well. And what I might do is get a cardboard or something so you can see that light. Now for your fuel injectors, you're going to unplug your injectors. Now here's one of your injectors over here. You're going to have that gray, and this right here, okay, that little gray tab right there, you want to squeeze that gray tab into the connector and pick up on the plug. Just like that. Now, once you got your injector unplugged, you look at the connector right here. You can say, all right, and you, that's what it looks like, a happy face? It does. You're like, ooh. Woo-wee! Alright, so what you want to do now, you look at your plugs, and what you do is go to your fuel injector set, night light set, and you look for which one has the same plug. You got it right there.